Hello, in this video I will discuss about a Rutherford Atomic Model, how he described how the atom is made from inside, what the atom is made of in inside matter. So how he describe it? He first taking alpha particle. What is alpha particle? Alpha particle can be called as an element of a helium 2 plus atom. Helium 2 plus element. He chooses helium 2 plus. It called that alpha particle, means helium with the charge 2 plus. This is called the alpha particle. So if we check about the properties of helium, then helium has a atomic number 2 and its mass number is 4. So if it carries charge 2 plus, it means it loses 2 charges. It means if it loses 2 charges, it means the number of actual electron will be actual electron is 2, and if it loses 2 charges more, then the charge on helium will be 0. So this is the property of helium, means the number of proton in helium is also 2 and the mass number is 4. It means the number of neutrons plus number of proton, also called as nucleons. Number of nucleons is equal to 4. So this is the property of alpha particle. Alpha particle is made up of a helium with charge 2 plus ion. Now the another method is he uses alpha particle, and also it uses a sheet of a beryllium, and then he bombarded helium 2 plus ion alpha particle, which is called alpha particle. He bombarded alpha particle on beryllium, and what he see now I will show you from this simulation. Let me first bombarded. This sheet is a beryllium sheet, and this is alpha particle ray. Let me put it down. This is alpha particle ray, and what he see when he passes alpha particle and bombarded it at a very high speed, then what he see that the inside from the inside of the beryllium sheet, he say most of the alpha particles came and travel in a straight line. The particles neither deflected or nor interrupt in their position. So most of the alpha particles travel straight line. So from this conclusion, he described that the most of the part of an atom is empty, and some particles show the property of deflection. It means you can see that in this experiment, this alpha particle goes this side. You can see that it is some particle deflected. Now let me take the property of alpha particle. What is the property of alpha particle? Alpha particle carries a 2 plus. It means it carries a positive charge. Helium carries a positive charge. It means alpha particle carries a positive charge if it carries a positive charge. And if it is deflected or repulsed means repel. Okay, if the particles repel, it means in the path of an atom, some positive charge came. So the same charges repel each other. You can also understand it in a magnetism chapter. You can also study it in a magnetism chapter. If both charges are of same sign, then it repel each other. If it is both different signs, then it attracts each other. You can see that same concept is lies in here. You can see most of the alpha particles, some alpha particles are deflected, and if 100 particles is passed from, let me think, 100 particles is passed from the beryllium sheet, then from the 100 you can see that this alpha particle goes backward, means which part from the part which the electron comes, which the particle comes, goes backward from that part. This is the rarest case. Rutherford see that. So the rarest case. Okay, now after that he made some more conclusion. If he increases you can see the number of protons. If in an atom he increases number of protons, it increases number of protons, means it increases number of atomic number. If it increases atomic number, means number of proton, then the deflection will increase. Why? Because the positive charge in an atom will also increase when you increase the proton, because proton carries a positive charge on it, and positive charge repel each other. So if we increases, you can see that if we increases, then the number of deflection will also increase. The number of deflection will also increase. You can see the number of deflections now is increases. So from that conclusion, he described that the most of the alpha, if we increases the number of proton, then the number of if we increase the number of proton, then the number of deflection of alpha particles will also increases. So we can say that number of alpha particles deflected is directly proportional to the number of protons. Directly proportional to the number of protons, means if we increases the number of protons, then the deflection will also increases. Okay, now if we increases the energy, what impacts on it? If we increases the energy is that we energy at max. If we increases energy, then you can see that the number of deflection will decreases from that case. You can see the number of deflection will decreases. You can see that the rate of deflection here is max. The rate of deflection is increases when we decreases the energy. Okay, from that conclusion we can say that if number of alpha particles deflected is inversely proportional to kinetic energy, whole square of the kinetic energy. Oh, one problem here. the number of alpha particle deflected is directly proportional to the whole square of number of protons. Sorry, it is my problem. It is my I forget about it. Whole square of the number of protons. Okay, so here these are the results which Rutherford see when we bombarded alpha particles at very high speed on a beryllium sheet, and also here the law of chemical balancing also failed here because this is a nuclear reaction. Okay, thank you.